Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. A review of last week's action analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 3D70D3831 2021 45:37 am. In the week gone by, there has been a series of developments that very well could excite the global economy for the long-term prospects of recovery. News on vaccines, monetary policy, and political changes have dominated price action throughout the week, with Fed Chair Powell's inflation speech being the most impactful. On the COVID-19 front, vaccine trials are leading us closer to potential breakthroughs, and investors are keeping tabs on that progress, particularly on the 8 vaccines that have entered the final phases of trials. As vaccine confidence grows, so too does the hopes for recovery in the economy, particularly in equity markets. The most recent of news on the vaccine front has come from Pfizer and BioNTech, who have announced that they could be ready to start large-scale manufacturing before year-end. Fed Chair Powell's speech towards the end of the week at the virtual Jackson Hole conference finally gave investors some food for thought on inflation. It feels that the Fed will foster an economically accommodative environment for the long term, likely keeping rates lower for longer. From a global perspective, it's as interesting to wonder if other central banks will consider similar actions. Should they do so, then growth prospects for the globe will recalibrate much higher. The coming week, investors will be turning to the Fed yet again to see if any further discussion is made, with 4 separate Fed officials scheduled to speak throughout the week. The bombshell from Japan's longest-serving Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, who on Friday stated that he would be resigning from his position, citing ill health as his reasons for the step down. The news of his resignation was not well received by markets, with many an investor wanting to speculate on who could possibly replace Prime Minister Abe. The Aussie reached a new high not seen for 2 years. The growth has been riding on the back of Fed inflation talk, which is now hovering in the 73-cent range against the greenback. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.